Sometimes pressure isn't greater in one direction than another. Sometimes it's equal pressure from all around you. Right? We call this pressure lithostatic. When the pressure is equal in all directions, that's lithostatic. And this happens when material is buried. Right? When it's buried, there's equal pressure coming in from all directions. You can kind of think of it like you diving to the bottom of a swimming pool. Right? When you dive deeper, sometimes you can't really tell which way is up, which way is down, and that's because the pressure is coming at you from all directions. It's lithostatic pressure. So atoms become more closely packed together. This often results in neocrystallization. Right? When you have lithostatic pressure, there's nothing to create foliation, right? There's nothing to create those layers. Instead, you get a non-foliated metamorphic rock. A non-foliated just means no layers. Right, so some examples of non-foliated rocks. The first one's marble. Right, so you might have seen marble countertops, marble bathroom stalls if you went into a fancy hotel. Right, it's a beautiful rock that's not foliated, but it is metamorphic. It's actually metamorphic limestone. When we talk about sedimentary rocks next, you're going to learn that limestone is actually made up of tiny little marine creatures, little marine organisms, tiny little marine shells. So marble is just metamorphosed tiny little marine creatures. Another example of a non-foliated metamorphic rock is quartzite. The quartzite is metamorphosed quartz sandstone. Right? So if you start with the quartz sand that we have on our beaches, it becomes cemented together to form a rock. That's a sedimentary rock that we're going to learn about next time. But if that sedimentary rock, that sedimentary sandstone undergoes intense heat and or pressure, it can become quartzite. The next one is anthracite coal, right? So coal, right, what we burn, what we mine, black stuff, if it undergoes intense heat and or pressure, you can get anthracite coal, which is coal that's just a lot shinier.